we have not, you're not clear with the regression, no? Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday, you are not clear with the subject yesterday, what I have told. So in this, we have a two regression equation. You can see,
मैम लाइट फोकस आ रहा है मैडम पर
मतलब
लाइट लाइट फोकस पड़ रहा है मैडम हाँ
now it's okay.
ओके ओके मैम
Now you can see. మా చెప్పండి అమ్మా క్లియర్ ఉందా లేదా స్క్రీన్?
yes ma'am clear గా ఉంది మేడం
Now two regression equation means we have x on y, the other one is y on x. Is it? Okay, now I'm writing that coefficient of correlation. That is regression equation, x on y, y on x. Now, here the question is, I am writing the question here. We have two. One is the x and the y. Here you have to show the x on y and y on x. In x, 2, 4, 6, 8. In the y, it is a 10, 20, 25 and 30. This is our question. Here you have to find out the two regression equation. So here first I am writing the regression equation. First one. A regression equation x on y is the first one. So when you are writing this one, the formula, see here, first when you are seeing this one is a x. Right. Okay. Before this, I am making the table. X on y and y on x. These are the two equations. One is x and the other one. So here x value I am taking. What is x? 2, 4. Everyone is ready with the calculators? Do you have the calculators, ma?
yes ma'am
2, 4, 6, 8. This is one. Where you have to find out the x minus x mean. Okay. Then here it is a x square. Then I'm writing the y. 10, 20, 25 and 30. And here y minus y mean you have to find out. The next one is a y square. Then here it is a xy. It's clear? Table, how to prepare?
yes ma'am
Now, so now what is x value? Total of the x value?
20 ma'am
Here it is a sigma x is equals to 20. What is the value of sigma y?
85
It is a 30, 40, 50, 30, 40, 80, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85. Okay. Now, you have to find out. अपने को x ये है. X mean you have to find out. sigma x, sorry, x mean is equals to sigma x by n. Then y mean is equals to sigma y by n. What is x we have? 20 divided by how many are the observations?
4.
What are the observations?
4.
I think it is a Prasad. Clear gunda leda? Ma, tell me, don't waste the time.
Paper pike and madam.
How many are the observations?
4
Endama?
observations, ma'am.
4 observations. So 20 divided by 4?
5.
5. Now what is a y? What is a y?
85 by 4.
85 by
4.
5.
4.
Sorry. 4. 85 divided by 4?
21.25.
21.25.
21.25.
25.
So now, first I'll finish this one. 2 minus 5?
Minus 3.
4 minus 5?
Minus 1.
6 minus 5?
1.
1.
8 minus 5?
3.
3.
It is a 3. Now take the square for this one. X. 3 on the other. Square.
9,
Square
ma'am.
for 9. 1, 1, 9.
9.
So
9.
here sigma x square is equals to how much? 20.
20.
Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are coming to the y. 10 minus 21.25.
Minus 11.25.
Minus 11.25.
25.
20 minus 21.5.
Minus 1.25.
Minus 1.25. 25 minus 21.25.
3.75.
3.75.
7.
30 minus 21.5.
8.75.
0.75.
8.7. Now square it. Now square it. 11.25 into 11.25.
126.5.
126.5625.
126.56. Next. 1.25 into 1.25.
1.56.
1.56.
1.56. Next. 3.75 into 3.75.
14.06.
0?
06.
6.
6.
Next. 8.75 into 8.75.
76.56.
76.56.
56.
56. Now add it. Sigma y square is equals to
218.74.
280.74.
74. 18, ma'am.
Now, in the
218. 18.
280.
218.4.
7. Now xy. xy, how you'll take?
2 into
X minus x bar into y minus y bar.
Yes. 3
One minute.
into 11.25. 3 into 11.25.
33.75.
Enta?
33.75.
33.75. Minus, if it is the minus here, plus here, means you have to minus into minus, plus. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into plus, plus. Avi chuskovalama. Okay na? Got my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
1 into 1.25.
1.25.
1 point. 1 into 3.75. 3.75.
3.75.
3 into 8.75.
26.25.
26.25. Now add it.
25.
Sigma xy is equals to
65, ma'am.
65.
65, ma'am.
how much?
65.
65.
60. Okay. Clear? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
now we are taking the regression equation first one. నేను x చేస్తాను మీరు y చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? రిగ్రెషన్ ఈక్వేషన్ కనిపిస్తుందమ్మా? క్లియర్ కనిపిస్తుందా?
No, ma'am. Yes,
Now,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
రిగ్రెషన్
Yes, ma'am.
ఈక్వేషన్ x or y. ఫార్ములా చూసుకోండమ్మా. ఫస్ట్ మనకి ఏముంది? వాట్ యు హ్యావ్ ఫస్ట్?
X.
x. So it is a independent, this one is a dependent. Okay. X minus x mean is equals to R standard x by standard y into y minus y mean. So we don't know what is this value. అర్థమైందా? What it is? R standard x. This E formula ki we are taking sigma xy by sigma y square. To find out this value, E value find out chestam. I am applying this formula. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
To find out this value, I am taking this. What is xy? 65. 65 divided by 21 to 18.74.
Ma'am,
65.
265.
Idama
Okay, okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
divided by 218.74. What is this value? 0.97. So here 0.27 297 we have. So we can take it as a 0.30. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma, the other students, I'm not getting, only one girl is giving me answer.
Yes, madam.
Now, x value we don't know. We have to find out the x value. What is the mean value? X mean
5.
5. Now, what is the formula value of this one?
Zero point 30.
Very good. 0.30. Then y minus, what is the mean of y?
21.25.
21.25. So, x minus 5 is equals to 0.30 into y. First multiply this one. Again this 0.30
y
minus 0.30 into
21.25.
21.25. How much? Calculate करो जल्दी. ఎంతమ్మా?
6.375.
6.375.
Oh.
Is it clear? Now I'm taking x is equals to 0.30. First one variables and we'll be writing all the variable at one side. From the RHS, we are writing this one into the LHS. So 0.30y minus 6.375. This is a minus now. It will become plus 5. X is equals to 0.30y minus into plus minus minus 5. How much? 1.375. It is a x on y. అర్థమైందమ్మా?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday you are very much confused.
Understood, ma'am.
Now see the values for y. Now we'll do the y on x. Along with me, you are doing now
Yes, ma'am.
regression equation. Now which one you have to do?
Y on x, ma'am.
Y on x. Now tell me formula. You have to tell me the formula by seeing the x on
Y minus y mean
y
is equals
minus
to R
y mean is equals to r standard
sigma y
y,
by.
standard y, not sigma.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Standard y divided by standard x into x minus x mean.
X.
Now you have to find out the value of this one. R standard y, sorry, by standard x is equals to which one you have to take?
Sigma xy by sigma x
Sigma
square.
xy by sigma
X square.
x square. What is the sigma xy?
65, ma'am.
65 divided by what is the x square?
20.
20. Now what is the value? 60 divided by 20. 65
3.25, ma'am.
3.25.
25.
Now substitute the value. Y minus y mean. Y mean value how much? 22.22 or 21.25
25.
is equals to 3.25 into x minus how much?
5.
5.
So y minus 21.25 is equals to 3.25 into x, 3.25
y. Y.
x. ये y नहीं होता, अपन y on x बना.
Yes, yes, yes.
Minus 3.25 into 5.
16.25.
16.25.
16.25. It's clear మా? ఇప్పుడు కనిపిస్తుంది అది రెడ్
Yes,
కంటే
ma'am.
ఎక్కువ
Clear.
క్లియర్ కనిపిస్తుంది కదా. నా అమ్మా ఏమైందమ్మా? What happened?
Nothing, ma'am.
y is equals to 3.25x minus 16.25. Here it is minus, no, it will become plus 21.25. Y is equals to 3.25x plus into minus
Minus.
plus.
Minus.
ma'am.
So when it is a smaller one, చిన్న దాంట్లో నుంచి పెద్ద నంబర్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు you have to put it plus.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Plus 16.25 minus 21.5.
5 ma'am.
अगर बड़ा नंबर रह के छोटे नंबर को निकाल रहे बोलते यहाँ पे माइनस लगाना, छोटे नंबर में से बड़ा नंबर निकाल रहे बोलते प्लस लगा.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Now y is equal to 3.25x plus 5. This is the answer. Okay? Yes, Prasad. I'll be sending the sum of the questions for practice. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now what is in the regression? Regression में और क्या है?
Regression
में कौन सा है?
analysis है.
Ma?
Analysis है, ma'am.
Analysis.
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 Yes, ma'am.
Time series, no? हो गया ये, इतना ही, इससे ज्यादा कुछ भी नहीं है रिग्रेशन में.
Regression and time series में four
हाँ.
units हैं.
अपन रिग्रेशन कर दी.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to follow this one on textbook में अपने दूसरे formulas है. Don't go with any formulas. You go with the same thing. What is the pattern I gave you?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, na? It is a compulsory question.
Okay, bye-bye.
Yes, someone is telling me answer. Someone is putting the question. Now take out the time series fast, all of you. Time series. My question likh rahi. Just you see in your time series. One is a math theory question. What I'm writing, it's clear to you.
Yes, ma'am.
First question is components of time series. Important. It may come for 12 marks. है ना question?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, in this measurement of trend. Measurement of trend में अपने क्या क्या है? Free hand or graphic method. Second one is semi-average method. Third one is moving average. And fourth method is method of least square. अपने को ये टाइम सीरीज में ये चारों में क्वेश्चन है अपने को. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll be doing the First question is freehand graphic method. Freehand graphic method. Now, the question is, आप लोग लिख लो, free hand graphic method. Am I going very fast?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
It's clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'm writing here. And the other one is sales. In the 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, and last one I'm taking it as a 2016. 64, 82, 97, 71, 78, 112, 115, then 100. This is a question. आप भी कॉपी कर लो अपने नोटबुक में.
Yes,
Simultaneously मैं समझाते होगा तो आप भी स्टार्ट कर. क्वेश्चन लिख
Yes,
लो.
ma'am.
फ्री
Yes,
हैंड
ma'am.
ग्राफिक मेथड. Okay. Now I'm taking x-axis, I, x, and y. On x-axis, we are taking always it will be year. On y-axis, always it is a sale. यहाँ पे अपने क्या क्या दिख रहा? 64, 82, 97, 70, 78, 112, 150, 100.
100.
So here I am taking the 20 of the difference of the value. 20 difference value I am taking. So highest number क्या है अपने को यहाँ पर?
115.
115 is the highest number. So I'm taking 20, 40, 60, 80, 100,
120.
110, 120. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140.
140.
Years 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016. Got?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, in the 2009, what is the value?
64.
64 is the sales. I am putting here dot. In the 2010, what is our sales?
82.
82. Just I am taking with the, here it is above the 80. Next, what is the 2011?
97.
It is a 97. Just little bit of above. Okay. Next, 2012.
71.
71. That is below the 80. नीचे आ गया ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Then 2013.
78.
Just above the 71. Okay. Then 2014, what it has?
112.
112. It is above to 100. Then what is the value of 2015?
115.
just about to this value. The next, what are the 2060?
100.
100.
It is complete 100. So now you join these all the values. So here I am taking the trend value from here. It is 1. Okay. From here I am taking the values like this attached to this number. Like, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Finished? If anyone want to screenshot, take the screenshot fast. जल्दी माँ अपन आज ये ब्लॉक कंप्लीट कर
Okay, ma'am.
finish.
Okay, ma'am. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
What is the second method? What is the second method?
Semi-average.
Averages.
Semi
Averages.
average method. दिख रहा ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Is everyone is able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
So here I'm taking the year. See, 2000 year I'm taking. Year. The other one is the same. Semi means what? Semi means what?
Half.
Half. Good. So here I'm writing the question. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and here it is 19. In this problem, no addition, no calculation, nothing. 100, 108, 110, 90, 106, 108, 110, 112. So tell me how many observations we have? How many are there? How many years?
8, ma'am. 8.
8. So it's good. So here 8 means you can divide it equally.
4.
4 ऊपर, नीचे ऊपर, नीचे 4 years is above, 4 years is down. Is it? If
Okay,
suppose
Yes,
I'm having the 7 years, then how you'll write? I'm making half. So you cannot take like the 3 ऊपर, 3 नीचे. ये नीचे का नहीं छोड़ सकते. So 3 down, 3 up, the middle one be deleted. Deleted बोलते नहीं लिखने का है. अपन उसको कैलकुलेट नहीं करते. बोलते ऐसा 7 आया बोले तो 7, 5 odd आया बोले तो we are taking like this. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
But in this question, we have 4 years equal. You are making it as a half. So next you have to semi-total. What is a semi-total? 100 plus 108 plus 110 plus 90. So divided by how much? 4.
4.
If it is 7 years है तो क्या करते अपन? Divided by 3. Middle one छोड़ देते अपन. आया समझ में नहीं आया?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
So 106 plus 108 plus 110 plus 112 divided by 4. Add it First one,
408.
First one 408, ma'am.
408 divided by
108, ma'am.
4.
102.
104. So, what is the semi-average?
102.
Very good. 102. Here, what is this here?
Four 36.
436 divided by 4.
4. 109.
Exam ऐसे डालना.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
आया. So, I'm putting the one more method. One more method means one more question I'm writing.
Okay.
Here, 10, 11. दिख रहा ना?
Yes, ma'am.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now, ten, 114, 112.
मैडम सबसे म्यूट रखते हैं बोल मैडम.
Now you can see. How many observations are there, ma?
7.
7. So how I have to make? First 3
Last 3.
from last 3. This one will not be taken into consideration. Okay. Then semi-totals. Then semi-average. 100 plus 107 plus 108 divided by 3. 110 plus 114 plus 112 divided by 3. How much, ma?
315.
315 by 3, ma'am.
315 divided by 3.
105.
Here, this one.
336 by
336.
3. By 3,
How much? What is the
112.
average?
112.
What? This is a semi-average. Screenshot कोई लेना है तो ले सकते हैं माँ. This one is a even. This method is even. This one is odd. First even ले लो. First you take even. लिख रहे हैं ना आप लोग?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the third method? Third method क्या है माँ?
Moving averages.
Moving average method.
Only two girls only talking. What about the other students? Moving average करेंगे?
Yes, ma'am. Method of moving average.
Yes, ma'am.
Method of
Moving
moving
average.
average. ये समझ में आ गया ना?
Yes,
मैडम
ma'am. Yes,
पेपर
ma'am.
जरा ऊपर करो मैडम.
अम्मा?
पेपर ऊपर करो मैडम. ऑड लिख लिए हैं ऑड.
और लिखना है?
हाँ मैम.
हो गया?
हाँ ओके मैम.
हाँ. जल्दी माँ. Moving
Okay,
average
okay.
करेंगे.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Finish?
हाँ finish
Finished,
ma'am.
ma'am. Finished. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are going to the moving average. Third method is moving average method. अपना कल ये मेथड थोड़ा अपने को समझ में नहीं आया तो हो जाता, कल ये चैप्टर हो जाता. Now year. Year is 2011. Ma, we're all talking, just you mute your mics. Don't disturb the class. 2013, 2014, 16, 15. Ma लिख लो ma साथ में.
Yes, ma'am.
17, 18. Profit. What are the profits here? We have so I'm taking 51, 53, 56, 55, 58, 62, 61, 65. Here moving average, how many years we are taking? 3 years moving average. कौन सा mention करे तो वो इतना ही करना. If they are asking a 3 years moving average, you have to go with the 3 years average. If they are asking you 4 years average, you have to go with the 4 years. If it is a 5 years, you have to move with the 5 years. Got my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'm taking 3 yearly moving total. अब जो कितने करना है? 3 years. 1, 2, 3. Which one is the middle?
53.
53. यहाँ से start करना. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
51 plus 53 plus 54. पहले पूरे लिखने के बाद टोटल करो. यहाँ पे एवरेज कितना है अपने को? 3 years है. This total should be divided by 3. Divided by 3. Otherwise, first you write the totals. Now next what? ये हो गया ना? 1, 2, 3. Finished? Leave it. The second one you feel it as of 1. 1, 2, 3. Again, where you have to write 53 plus 54. 53
ma'am.
plus, ये 6 है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
56 plus 55. Here it is a total. Okay? Next,
Yes, ma'am.
second one finished. Again, you have to feel that 56 is the first one. 56 plus 55 plus 58. Next. 55 plus 58 plus 62. Next, tell me.
58 plus
8 plus 62 plus 61.
61.
1.
Next.
62 plus
62 plus
61 plus 65.
1 plus
65.
65.
देखो यहाँ पे एक बच गया, यहाँ पे भी एक बच गया.
Yes, ma'am.
अगर 5 है, जब क्या करते हैं? 1 2 3 4 5. Which one will be the middle? Semi averages करे तो which one will be the middle?
56.
56. वहां से स्टार्ट करना.
Okay, ma'am.
जब अपने को 2 बचते ना,
Yes, ma'am.
डाउन ऑल्सो अपने को 2, it will be remain with the 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Now tell me the total fast.
160.
First one
160.
160. Amma. Second one. Second one कितना?
164.
Ma?
164.
क्या करना मालूम? टोटल आ गया ना 160. You put the 160 minus 51 plus 55. 164. Next.
169.
169. Next. जल्दी.
175.
175. Next.
181.
181. It's right.
Yes, ma'am.
62 plus 61 plus 65.
188.
188.
Now you have to take, दिख रहा ना यहाँ पे, 3 yearly moving average. Now 150 divided by how many years?
3 years.
3 years divided by 3. How much? 53.33. The next. 164 divided by 3. 54.67.
6.
666 बोले तो? Then it will
7.
become 7.
7.
159 divided by 3. 56.33.
6.33.
175 divided by, 175 divided by
58.33.
58.33.
33.
Now 181 divided by 3.
60.
60.33.
Next 188 divided by 3.
62.66.
62.666 means
7.
finish. It's its problem. हो गया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
लिख लिए?
Yes, ma'am.
Simple है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Using these values, we'll go with the 4 years average. 5 तो मालूम हो गया ना, odd. ये odd है.
Yes, ma'am.
अपन even करना. Even कैसा करना बताना. ये लिख लिए?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll do the even. This is the odd. Now we'll do the even. Same data. Same ले रही मैं.
Yes, ma'am.
Same question ले रही मैं. दिख रहा ना?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Year profit 4 yearly moving total. Okay. Then 4 yearly moving
Average.
average. Okay. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, 4 years. Just now, when it is a 3, how we have taken
Middle one.
the value in the middle. So it is very easy to take. But here it is a 4 yearly. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is in the equal. So you write down in the middle. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So now how we'll take 51 plus
53 plus
53 plus 56 plus
plus
55.
55.
next.
From where we start? 56.
51 over now?
Yes.
Again in the
53
middle.
plus
1, 2, 3, 4. 55 निकाल दिया पर.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. क्या लिखना?
53 plus 56 plus 55 plus 58.
Now, next.
56 plus
56 plus 55 plus 58 plus 62.
62.
Next.
55 plus 58 plus 62 plus 61.
Next. 58 plus
62
62
plus
plus.
61 plus
61
60.
plus 65.
So यहाँ पर कितने बच गए अपने को? ऊपर?
1.
हाँ.
2.
2,
3.
2, 4. Total 4, ma'am.
Down also. Down also.
2.
2.
Understood? अगर
Yes, ma'am.
if it is upper side it is 3, down will also 3.
Yes, ma'am. Understood, ma'am.
Now tell me the total fast.
$215.
215 divided by 4.
222.
53.75.
Hmm. 4. Next one. 222 divided by 4. Next. 231 divided by 4. 236 divided by 4. 246 divided by 4. Now, what is average? 215 divided by 4.
53.75.
53 point.
75.
Next. जल्दी जल्दी बोलना.
56.5.
56.05.
5.
Only 5.
Only 5, ma'am.
Next. 231 divided by 4.
57.75.
57.17.
75.
17.
75.
17. Next. 236 divided by 4.
59. 59.
246 divided by 4.
61.5.
61.5.
5. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you have to take the 2 years moving total. Kaisa? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You will be writing in the middle. 53.75 plus 56.5. Next, 56.5 plus 57.75. 57.75 plus 59. 57.75 plus 59. Last. Now take the total. 2 years moving average. समझ में आ रहा? Odd
Yes,
में
ma'am.
we are not again doing, but in the even, first you have to do for the 4 years. Again you have to make it the half and you have to take the average. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Copy down fast and the rest you have to do because time is up. Automatically sir will. Yes, whatever we did the problems, I'll share the screens. I don't know which group you all. आज जो भी problems करे ना मैं share करती group में.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Just put the hi ma. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Kalyani, you want my mobile number? I think it is there. Nine 9866346243. It I am sharing to everyone. But you put only one group, ma. Don't put the number of groups.